Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now, remove the seeds and peel, then cube the papaya into bite-sized pieces so the blender handles them. Add 1 cup of your chosen liquid and 1/2 cup ice if you want chill and body. Measure 2 tablespoons of sweetener and a tablespoon of lemon or lime juice to brighten flavor. This prevents flat sweetness. Once the fruit and liquids are in, secure the lid and pulse to break down large chunks before full blending, because texture matters for a smooth result. Blend in controlled bursts. Start medium-high for 15 to 30 seconds, stop and scrape the sides, then continue. This avoids overheating and preserves fresh flavor. Once done, make sure to add liquid in 2 steps so you hit the right viscosity. Aim for 0.5 to 1 cup total depending on thickness. If you want creamier mouthfeel, add 1/2 cup yogurt or a small banana and pulse until homogeneous. Always taste between adjustments, because you can fix sweetness, acidity, and texture. Once blended, taste and adjust carefully. Add 1 teaspoon of sweetener or citrus at a time so you don't overshoot. Make sure to chill before serving. A quick 10-minute rest in the fridge improves flavor melding. Garnish with mint, lime zest, or a tablespoon of chia seeds for texture and visual contrast. If the smoothie is too watery, fix it by blending in 1/4 cup of frozen papaya or banana to thicken. If too thick, add small splashes of liquid until it pours smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.